AWS Service Scope. It falls into three categories: Global Service, Regional Service, Zonal Service. Global Service. A service configured and deployed globally. For example, Route 53, IAM, CloudFront, SES. Regional Service. A service configured and deployed regionally. For example, Multi-AZ RDS deployment, ELB, Auto-scaling, S3, DynamoDB. Zonal Service. A service configured and deployed in a single zone. For example, EC2. AWS Service Scope is an important consideration when designing solutions architectures. It affects application scalability, availability, performance, operational efficiency, cost, and regulatory compliance. If you want to know more about various AWS services and AWS certification courses, reach out to us on the following links. Thank you.